Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to off screen pin lock setting in Vivo phone. Guys, you want to off this screen lock pin password guys. This pin password guys you want to off in your Vivo phone. So guys you can off in this video. I will show you how to off it. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and like my videos. So now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting to off this screen lock pin. Click on security. Let's click on screen lock. Enter your pin. And guys you can see none option. Click here. So you want to off your pin. And guys future will not work without your pin. Yes. Okay. Yes, remove. So guys now you can see pin lock has off in our Vivo phone. So I think friends you have understood how to off pin lock in Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video guys. Now we will meet our next video with the topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye friends.